Who's at my door this morning? Hey, Max. Max. Oh, hello. Hello. Where's Jackson? Hello, Mr. Jack. Hello. Hi. Want your carrot? Good boy. Yummy. Good boy. It's a bit close. No, wait there. I want to get a video of you. Good boy. Good boy. Hop back there a bit. Stay there for a minute. No, stay there. Jack, just wait there. No. Oh, you big sookie. Hey, you're a big sook. Is that nice? Hey? You know what carrots are now, eh? Good boy. Do my weeding. No, wait there. Good boy. All I'm getting is extreme close-ups, Jack. Wait back there, buddy. Wait back there. Oh, man. Wait there. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Back up. That's not backing up. No, you're a sookie. Good boy. What do you reckon, Max? Jax is doing all my weeding. Hey, he's a good boy.